Now let's talk about defining a room that's on the main floor. So it's an above grade room. And let's do the kitchen. So I think that would be, if this is room 1, 2, 3, the kitchen would be room 4. So we're going to define that in room 4. I'm going to click 4 and press go. Kitchen, it's on floor 2. And the area of the kitchen is 159.2. The kitchen is one of these rooms that's going to be occupied with people and with electronics and appliances. I don't have any ventilation into the kitchen. I don't have any foundation elements, so I can ignore this. I also don't have any ceilings or floors that are exposed, so I can ignore this. We're going to live in this table right here, and then we're done. So I have a top-facing wall, a right-facing wall, and a left-facing wall. 15.9 and 10 on the right and left. I know I'm using ID 1. And I know that I have a header above us, because above me, if I'm standing in the kitchen, above me is this conditioned space. So that header is also going to be exposed, the header above us in the kitchen. I'm just going to do a double check here. This automatically calculated area is calculating based on a height of 8 feet, which I input over here in this above grade floor 1, 8 feet, which is correct. So I know that these areas are all correct. The header is calculated as 1.07 feet, which is this height here. It's the header above that living space. That's also correct. Okay. All I need to do now is define the windows and doors. So let's see. I've got window 205 here. Let's go see what window 205 is. Window 205 you know what? First thing we should do is make sure we got the right facing direction. So northeast is top of plan. Aha, look at that. Northeast. And it says we also need to click this recalculate button because we just changed the direction. Okay. Back to window 205. It's window type A, which I remember was our window type A was our ID number 1. 48 by 36. So window type A was ID 1. You can also look here. Window type A, ID 1. 48 is 4 feet and 36 is 3 feet. I might have some overhang, but let's be honest, right? On this window here, that overhang is not protecting it during peak loading. So I'm just going to ignore that. We also know the same for our sliding glass door. So this window is done. Now let's talk about the sliding glass door, which is going to go in this information here. Yes, it's a window. I could put it in this window section here. I could put the sliding glass door here. There's nothing wrong with that at all. However, when I go to my results page, it's going to show up as a window load. Just so I know I've defined things correctly, I like to have these sliding glass doors show up as a door load. So I actually put sliding glass door information here in the window indoor section. You can just leave this blank and have everything in here, and that will give you the correct result. So we have door D02, which is window type B, door type B, which we remember was down here, which was coincidentally the exact same properties as window type B. So we're going to call it window type B, which is our ID 2, and the dimension is 72 by 84. So I'm going to type window ID 2 equals 72 over 12 equals 84 over 12. So it's 6 by 7. I remember from before the overhang was 0. That's all I have in my kitchen, nothing on the right or left, so I am done in the kitchen.